Have you ever pondered the mysteries of marine life, the thrill of discovering the unseen? Imagine the excitement of uncovering a new chapter in the life of one of the ocean's most formidable predators, the great white shark. In the azure waters off the coast of Santa Barbara, California, a wildlife filmmaker and a biology student stumbled upon an astonishing sight. A creature, unlike anything they had seen before, gliding effortlessly through the water. Its white coloration and small size were a stark contrast to the typical great white sharks we're accustomed to. Could this be a newborn, just a few days or even hours old? This wasn't just a casual sighting. It marked a potential breakthrough in our understanding of these magnificent creatures. The researchers believed they had captured drone footage of a newborn great white shark in the wild, possibly the first ever evidence of its kind. The shark seemed to have shed its embryonic layer shortly before the footage was taken, further supporting this hypothesis. But what does this mean? Is Santa Barbara a breeding ground for great white sharks? While further research is needed, the implications are intriguing. This discovery could provide invaluable insights into the breeding habits and life cycle of great white sharks. But the journey doesn't end there. The findings have been published in the Environmental Biology of Fishes, a testament to the significance of the discovery. This sighting, this moment of discovery, has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of great white sharks. In the grand tapestry of marine life, every thread matters. Every discovery, every new understanding, brings us one step closer to unraveling the mystery that is the ocean. And in this case, it's a tiny, newborn great white shark that might just hold the key to a world of new knowledge. The ocean never ceases to amaze, does it?